What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, I do have 2 cases from iBLASON. They were kind enough to send me out these 2 cases for the S24 Ultra, and this is a dummy unit. But first, we're going to do the Thai gray. So let's see what that is looking like. Just going to unbox it, see what it's looking like. So I'm already going to say this is going to probably look good with that grayish color phone that S24 Ultra that Samsung has. Here's your instruction manual, but I don't need that. Who needs it? It does look nice on the back. There's your MagSafe. You do get a cover door for your camera, and I really like that companies are starting to do that now. But anyways, let's just peel this off. So when you peel it off, you want to use this edge right here. Well, hold on. Yes, this edge right here. It's a little groove. And you just peel it off. Even though I'm struggling, you still just peel it off like so. It is kind of tough, but you just peel it off like so. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And you also want to get rid of that. And it's pretty much, this is just telling you, it's saying install the frame with the screen protector first, then enroll your fingerprint for better unlocking results. That's when you have the real phone. But since I don't have it, we don't have to worry about that. But it does want you to put this on first. So you just slap it on just like that. And then you want to take the back part and just put it in like so. Make sure everything is clicking and in the grooves. And once you are satisfied with it, this is that look that you are going for. This is the Tilt Gray from iBLASON. This really does look nice. Like I said, this may go real good with the black S24 Ultra and that grayish S24 Ultra. But anyways, you do get grooves for grip protection, so you do not have to worry about this sliding out of your hand. You get your buttons, which they do feel nice and clicky. You do get feet. I call these feet for edge drop protection, because you never know how your phone might drop, and that's good that they have these extended corners, which are feet. At the bottom here, you do get a cover housing for your USB-C charging cable. You get your speaker cable. You do get a nice amount of room to dig in there and get your S Pen out. At the top here, you get a cutout. I believe that's just for the little microphone at the top. Overall, this does look and feel nice. And like I said on the back, this says armorbox. It says iBLASON. This is your MagSafe ring. This is your camera door, so you do not have to worry about your camera getting messed up. And then this also will, you know, work as a kickstand for videos and movies and so on and so on. So next, let's do there. Next, we have this is the Tilt. And I'm sure these probably are kind of like the same style and design, maybe just different colors. We shall see. Okay, yeah, so pretty much these are still the exact same case. One is called a different color. Yeah, one is just a different color, but pretty much these are just the exact same case. Yes, I was right, the exact same case, a different color. Here's your instructions. I don't need it. Let's go on and peel this off of there like so. Design, it just comes with the screen protector, and this is the top housing. This is the back housing. Like I said, these are the exact same cases, different colors, but exact same design, just different color names. But you want to just slap it in there like so, and make sure everything is, you know, lining up the way you want it. And this is what the Tilt looks like. This is a blue though. I like this blue. I'm a fan of blue. Blue is my favorite color, so anything blue on a case, I'm rocking it. Like I said, you get your MagSafe ring. It says Armorbox. It has iBLASON. You do get all this nice grip, so your phone is not going to slide out of your hand. Like I said, you get your power buttons nice and clicky. Your volume up and down buttons nice and clicky. You get ridges for your feet for drop protection. You know, you don't have to worry about placing your phone flat down on the table because this is a two-part case. You're good to go. Down here, you get all the same cutouts that you would on the other case. But overall, these are looking very, very, very nice. And I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick these cases up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.